Today we will see the concept of a window in Microsoft operating system. Okay, so we'll see what is a window and what are the different parts of a window. So if we will say a window, so a window is a rectangular section of the computer's display. Okay, it is the rectangular section of computer display. It is the rectangular section of computer display that shows the programs currently being used. That shows programs currently being used. Currently being used. Okay. All the programs which are currently being used, or the program which is currently in running state, that program is showed inside a rectangular area, and that rectangular area is called a window. Or we can say window is just like a frame. It is a frame or a rectangular box that shows the currently running program. Okay, for example, you are running some program, a paint program, or some other program like you are writing some word document or a notepad program. That program is displayed inside a rectangular area, and that rectangular box or that frame is called as a window. We say that rectangular area as a window. Okay, and a window is a part of GUI. It is a part of GUI, that means graphical user interface. So it is an element of GUI. Element of GUI. Okay, so window is basically an element of GUI, and a window allows a user to work with multiple programs or view multiple programs at once. Okay, window is an object of a GUI which allows a user to work with multiple programs at once. So with the help of a window, a user can work with multiple programs. A user can work with multiple programs. How? When we open multiple programs, for every program a window is created. Inside that window, that program is displayed. That programs actually runs inside that window. So we can open multiple windows on desktop. We can open multiple programs using those windows. So a user can work with multiple programs with the help of windows, or a user can view multiple programs or multiple files with the help of a window. Okay, and this window has some features like a window has a title. Okay, window has a title. If we will see on the left side of the screen, we have a computer window here. So this is the image of a computer window. On the top of this computer window, on the left top, we have the title of the window. This is called the title of window. So this title actually shows the name of the program, or the name of the location of the computer, or the name of the file or folder which is currently in open state, or which is currently in running state. Okay, so title shows the name of the program, or title of the window. Okay, it's the title of the window, the name of the window, which window is this, which frame is this. So title is shown on the top left corner. Okay, on right side of this window, we have three buttons, and these three buttons have actually four different functions. Okay, these buttons we'll see what are the jobs of these buttons. So every button has separate job, they can do different job. Okay, so we'll see them one by one. First we'll say that these two parts, title and buttons, these two parts are common in every window. Okay, these two parts are common in every window, that is why we are seeing these two parts only here. So first button is minimize button. So we'll see what is a minimize button. Minimize button is actually a button when you click on this button or when you press this button, that is this minimize button, what happens is that this window gets minimized and this window is minimizer to the taskbar. That means this window will not be displayed now on your desktop. It will come on taskbar. Okay, so it minimizes the window to taskbar. If you want to minimize the window to taskbar, we have to click the minimize button. Next is restore down. Okay, what is restore down? It resizes your window to a smaller one. For example, you have maximized the window. The window is in full state. The window is on full screen, and you want the window to resize to a smaller one. Okay, that means you want the window to become small and come on one part of the desktop. Okay, for that you can use the restore down button. Okay, that is the second button, this one. Third is maximize. Okay, what is maximize? If you have restored down a window, that means you have resized a window to a smaller size and you want the window to enlarge to its original size, or you want the window to enlarge to the full screen size. For that you can use the maximize button. Okay, so it is used to enlarge the window and make it fit the whole desktop. The last button is close button. Okay, what is this close button? This button is used to quit the window, or this button is used to close the window. This last button, a red color cross button, when you will press this button, what will happen? This window will be closed, or we can say this window will be terminated. Okay, if you want to close the window, if you want to terminate this window, okay, for that we have to press the close button. So these are the common components, these are the common features of a window. The title bar we have, and we have three buttons which has four functions: minimize, restore down, maximize, and close. Okay, so this was the brief description about a window in Microsoft Windows operating system. Thank you very much.